I just got my package in the mail today from an order a couple weeks ago from Dutchware. I just opened it, laid it out here on the table of some things I've picked up from them. I got a Warbonnet XLC that I want to change around a little bit to make it a little bit more convenient. So I got these continuous loops right here. Got red one for the head end and black for the foot end. If I decide I want to change that around, I'm not sure yet. And right here is some reflective shot cording, 25 foot of it. Put on, on the tarp end. Probably a couple other little odds and ends for my little tent setup also. And in this package right here is a complete set of Amstel continuous loops, and then the Ridgeline and a beetle buckle complete setup right there. I'm kind of excited. I'm going to try that. I've been using whoopee slings. Those are working very well. And I also got a Beckett setup I'm using currently. I like it, but I want to try out some of this Dutchware equipment and see how it works. And it'll be pretty interesting. I got the Dutch clips sewn on to the end here. Those are the Spider poly straps, 15 foot long. So that'll give you plenty of room to reach around. And these are the Tato gear for the tarp. So it'll be a very interesting. Oh yeah, okay, I forgot about this. A couple of Dutch veneers. So yeah, all kinds of cool stuff here to work with, and give you a little update on how this all goes together here in a couple of days when I get time to play with everything and change my configuration around. And until then, it's Dutchware. Talk to you soon.